In this short video, we will go over how to keep your FI series scanner clean and running smoothly, which lets you focus on other aspects of your work without scan worries. While the scanner is being used, dirt and dust accumulate on the interior of the scanner, which may prevent documents from being scanned properly or affect documents and scanned images. To avoid these potential problems, clean the scanner regularly, approximately every 5,000 pages. This video explains the procedures for cleaning scanners regularly using the fi-8090 scanner. The other models listed at the beginning of this video will have identical feeders and can be cleaned the same way. Cleaning supplies can be purchased from our store or from your favorite reseller. Separate cleaning piece parts are available as well, but the best deal is on our ScanAid kit, which includes both cleaning supplies and a new set of genuine consumables for the same low price. At a minimum, you will need a lint-free cloth and a cleaning solution, either F1 or isopropyl alcohol. The swabs are very useful for cleaning sensors, but are not required. Let's clean the interior of the scanner. Allow several minutes for the interior of the scanner to cool down after use, as the glass can be quite hot. First, open the ADF. Use a lint-free cloth moistened with F1 cleaner or isopropyl alcohol to clean the interior of the scanner. To clean the brake roller, we will open the cover and remove the roller set. Gently wipe off the dirt and dust along the grooves of the roller's surface. Reinstall the brake roller with gear side first, then close the cover. Let's clean the pick roller next. Gently wipe off the dirt and dust along the grooves of the roller's surface. Note, sometimes it helps to remove the roller for the more stubborn debris. Next, we're going to clean the feed rollers and the eject rollers. The feed rollers and eject rollers in this location need to be rotated manually. Wipe off the dirt and dust while rotating the rollers. Cleaning the ultrasonic sensors and the document sensors can be very important when you're getting false feeding errors. If you can't reach the sensors by hand, use a cotton swab moistened with cleaner. Cleaning the glass is also very important. Wipe the glass fully because vertical streaks may appear on the scanned images if the glass is dirty or scratched. Next, clean the feed rollers and eject rollers on the bottom half in the same manner you did on the top. After cleaning, close the scanner and power back on. Built into your scanner is a handy cleaning counter, which is defaulted to 5,000 scans. This provides a convenient reminder of when to clean the scanner in order to prevent feed or image problems. Cleaning on a regular basis reduces not only cleaning difficulty, but also debris buildup. Note, 5,000 scans is a general estimate. If you are scanning old documents, NCR paper, or pages that have flaky or undried ink, cleaning frequency may need to be increased. There are two ways to reset the cleaning counter. First is through the front panel of the scanner. Just follow the navigation as demonstrated here. Second, you may run our software operation panel and select the first device setting, then reset the counter to 0 with a simple button click. Thank you very much for following along with us. If you have any other technical questions or just need help, please contact us using the information provided here.